Welcome to Bestuseful Tips. Recently launched Android Q Beta for added new accent colors. Let's see step by step. Go to settings, scroll down up to system, tap on advanced, tap on developer option, scroll down at the end of the page. In theming section you can see accent color. Now you can see 4 new options added in accent color: cinnamon, ocean, space, orchid. By default set default color. Now tap on a green. Now you can see green icon. Swipe down notification panel, you can see green icon in your device. This change accent color in your device. Now choose cinnamon. Now you can see change color in your notification panel. Theme, also see settings in your device. You can see change toggle icon and any other setting in your device. It's quite easy to change notification and accent color using these developer settings. Now choose ocean. Now you can see change color on your accent color in your device. Space. Now this quite a light color. Orchid. You can see this accent color in your device. It's quite easy to change accent color in your Android Q Beta 4 device. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to get more tips.